Welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you the latest update from court cases, political movement and youth activism across South Sudan. Stay with us as we take you through the detail in simple. Before we proceed with this latest update, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let's start first with the case of Pagan Shoal trial and Nasir attack. First, we begin with the highest profile trial of South Sudan. Suspended petroleum minister Pagan Shoal and is accused of giving $30,000 to the Nuer Army militia to attack the military base in Nasir, Upper Nile State, earlier this year in March 2025. This attack killed hundreds of soldiers and many civilians. The police commissioner of Northern Barghazal, Major General Basilo Thomas Wani, testified in court. He said that Pagan sent money twice. The first small amount was for a ritual, and the second payment was $30,000. This money was shared across 15 local areas called Payam, giving each $2,000. One local chief refused the money, he said. He said he did not want to mobilize youth to attack the army. But the rejected amount was collected by the former Nasir County Commissioner, James Galwalo, who is a member of the SPLM-IO party. Major General Wani also said that Pagan was in direct contact with the attacker. He received update on the attack through WhatsApp, including report on who was killed and wounded. Pagan even made police statement on Radio Miraya about army movement in the area. The military report cited by Wani said 267 soldiers were killed, including General James Majudak. The first attack was led by Army Commander Colonel Torgile Tuan, and the second attack included both Army and SPLA-IO soldiers, he said. The court is also looking to try 10 other people who are not yet arrested, including senior military officer and SPLA-IO commander. Pagan and 7 others remain on trial. The session will continue on Monday, October 20, 2025. This case is serious, involving child-like treason, crime against humanity, mass murder, terrorism, and destruction of property. The trial began on September 22, 2025, and is closely watched by the public. The defense lawyer did not say anything on this report. Second top story, Pagan Amum welcome Nhial to UPA. Next, in political news, Pagan Amum, the chairman of the United People Alliance, UPA, welcome former SPLM leader Deng into his alliance. Nhial formed a new political group called the South Sudan Salvation Movement. Amum said this decision is a step toward peace and justice. In South Sudan, he called Nhial move patriotic because it seeks new way to solve political and humanitarian problem in the country. Nhial is a veteran of South Sudan liberation struggle. He served in important government role and was a chief negotiator in the peace talk that ended decade of war between North Sudan and South Sudan. His departure from the ruling SPLM under Kir Mayadit is considered one of the most significant political moves in recent years. The United People Alliance say that Nhial's Deng experience will strengthen their push for peace, justice, and prosperity for the people of South Sudan. The statement also criticized President Salva Kiir Mayardit and his government, saying that they continue to divide communities and worsen the state collapse. according to Radio Tamazuch. While SPLM has not yet responded to Nhial defection, political experts said it could have a strong effect on the country politics, given Nhial's influence and reputation as a moderate leader. Let's look at the detention of our Will East youth leader. In the northern part of the country, Deng Akol, the acting chairperson of the Awil East County Youth Association, was picked up by the National Security Services in Wanjok town. His family and local youth leader are demanding his release. Relatives said men in plain clothes took him from a gathering with friends. He was first taken to the county headquarters and later to an unknown location. His uncle Ake Deng Akol say Tip leads a peaceful non-political youth body and questioned why he was arrested. Anonymous youth sources say the arrest may have been linked to a disagreement with the new county commissioner Garang Thiang over distributing relief items. The situation escalated and National Security Service officer detained Tip. Officials confirmed the arrest but described it as official and said it was due to Tip insulting the commissioner during a discussion. The authorities say they are handling the matter and may release him soon. Legal experts warn against arbitrary detention. In South Sudan, suspects should appear in court within 24 hours. Their family continue to call for either his release or formal charges in accordance with the law. Today we have seen updates from South Sudan court politics and youth activism. From the trial of Pagan to Nhial joining the opposition and the detention of Thiep Deng Akol, the country continued to face political security and human rights challenges. Here we are committed to bring you the news in clear and simple way so everyone can understand what is happening in South Sudan. Please share your thought in the comment below. What do you think about this development? Which story concerns you the most? Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest update. This is Changfied, bringing you news closer to the people. Jawlin kon magwasa me madan lero da wike South Sudan and wale. Jojen do cha na cha kaluga kan kono nyam gor no jin be subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel. Men ban lingwasa me gor ko de content kon lat ko de kon kaling. Titi ka to walk to gor ngach to kon kalera to chop jok to baj ler nyam barai tin gonya dana sha gon pot kang shol rei wich ka juba ka dobe dana chikur che to ga Nasir gwade shi nwer waya mi shikin yenke de ni SSPD jana je to ka jen kui ko re to ka Nasir dobe dana sha pot kang cha gwen ka je pot kang jen na jala kur la petroleum minister quer data ke quer liet pot kang re wi ka South Sudan ramangai ke pot kang shuljan chaja gwanyen wone na e wache yuri shop ke kin di jandang diok e chaga kamnor wa ami militia e ko biken military base tre wi ka Nasir upnal state biken amak wache yuri shop ke $30,000 e chaga kamnor wa ami cha chaga keno kore dana chitu ko kor gwade chiwe me chi de ni SSPDF chaganak ka she nuwer civilian ba chaganak ka do be dana shikir me yadi cheren yal che jagaje ka sha nuwer cha ko ne ke chemical cha jo me cha je kwen ramadana gon pot kang shul a police commissioner Milaran Nosen Bargazal chale Major General Basilio Thomas Wani Major General Basilio Thomas Wani jaram danen gon pot kang no jen ajen Ramadan and $30,000 US chaka jak ne kontilan nuwer wayami jen je testify ka court a judge yala do pot kang ya yu chaka jak rew ajeni yu te nyam te cha jak no ajeni ka yu ti te tot chika tungwan e jak ka kwi ritual jak na ka guk ki ka kwi pala ajeni yu te raw de tin cha jak a pot kang shul honorable pot kang quer petroleum minister jene che pot kang che yudi 30,000 chaga jak ajen second payment na mo chaga jang nuer wayami ajene UTT ke ti chadak no ka kan ka payam ni ti shop ko wealthy ka local 50 local area ka tela payam ni kan kan tin wealthy to ajene she kan la kan de ke la jam mo je UTT shop ke $2,000 kan yuli $2,000 to ajen ci pot kang chaga jak ko ba de ni SSP dia baga mak ka Nasir cha pot kang chai chaga kano gwada me watch local ship kel shelu go no ba de kam yu wun wara kel mi ci testified ba ajene shana gor ka yuro to mo wa mobilize ni use ke wa gor ngwane no ba ku ngwa kel wun wara ro jo mi ci pot kang bo che je ya re ajene che yu chaga look ajene yu chaga to bi chaga kam from Nasir County la commissioner James Galwalo mela members ka party SPLM mayo chaja gwanyu nono eno cha yu to chaga kama na me wun wara rwajone mi ci pot kangbo chaja gwanchir me ngai kono no te ni de area leka te kel ga kuma SPLM maji te loke kuma SPLM en ram te ga kuma SPLM la ja ko kino gwari ka ba wi de baje matung wante dong sha talk Major General wani wuda me mi ci rwajene jen pot kang jen te ka dara contact ke nwer wayami jen la Abdullah jangeje la ja jak ngwane ke WhatsApp ka jo dan ci galat jen chaje lar ping nen te kon bede ya mo ka board ke ne de kon ci lu anyok ci pot kang ke chaka ka no ci pot kang ci roi ka radio maraya wade ci pot kang ci ngada address te me ci roi tenen no ne kon lokamal kuma kin ma yadit no mo ngai kon dia la kon aling ni siang chikan pot kang chikan gwanyen wo pot kang logo jeno iche kuma che jelok ko che ora kumra ya pam gwan mi chaje titen chi wan ni point che nyora jone na ko le dana chi tuok me cha Gerald James ma judak chaje nekten ke deni chop ku dangro jen bakle baro ajane atage ni amle den wer wayami no chikan jomo chikan lat jara men yam me let kura me ajene kul na tor gile tuan ajene je nuer wayami commander tor gile tuan jara men yam me wure kur ajene wena mo chukur mo chutok ajene kur nyam a local nuer use militia kan de kontre mark ke gade ki garrison che jo mo che jelat che nyola do ne na jene kur rewde ci nuer wayami ci urien mat kel ke kuma SPLM gwade ba jerol majudak ba je kulo nekten te jomo te jelat en wude me mishala wani me ko do badanen goin ken pot kang ke ke chak chak ka jo chalat gwase me wati ne welte ko kient gorke kan nuori ka senior military officer ka kuma SPLM commander no wa gurke kene dangwela to ko wa chika roden bare wiki juba gwade dane kap ka natin pot ka anken ne dangboro tin ko kene wona ka darkama char kene de content ka court ne re konetike kietin chaka ka ano kente ka titketi kon lat ko rodien michina me shaka ka me cha pot ka chai shaka ka kuma kirma yadit mugoro naga nuare ka chap na me amade yanading akan konon yam biya ngajin wone ne en walle re wich ka juba chala no ba mech ba ka kef ka jin Saturday ke Sunday wonyam tane re konen ba dorken ba ka gor awa ka nuare biya ngajin mo te ga jom cha hol sub gwaz me gor de lariye chala no ne ga rodun ka tin kon lat ko rodi re wi ke juba no ba dor kun ba ka me ken ba ka gor ram te maj ba ka baname awajen mi shit ke me dana ci to ke 2013 jen do badana la kana na ka je buko dor nuere ka chap bukan nuere bukan kanak jan jodan to ko no cha roi kul tubuno ne ram pol chuka dara jien dara ko unimis ka tay dana chalat ka jem ne me dara gwan wode je lar ye ka jo mi dong ka jo mu ka je lere mane jo me chalat nuere yal ko ken ngai ka mana to ko no cha din ni cha ga jako gor ka dor nuere yal content re wich ka juba jin nuere wa ki chi jin nuere wa ti ka condition ka jo dana chalat jawon len balen gwase me dung Pagan Amum wajen che Nhial Deng Nhial che je lor ka telo ay ko che Nhial Deng Nhial che tiay ka kuma kirmi yadit Nhial Deng Nhial jen ramadi ta kwer mangaike jen chelat pan ke jenu che jien ko kuma SPLM pink kir ma yadit jorod mo ke bonde Michel ke South Sudan Salvation Movement and bono mo chelat ro che jamat kel ke UPA a United People Alliance nete konte lat ke mal en chal ke tuman peace initiative cheroda mat ke UPA en tema chaje welcome Ramadan la kur ci Pagan Amum ci Nhial Deng Nhial ci welcome re which ko belaram kel ka peace initiative latuman peace initiative Pagan Amum ci decision nana ci ala Nhial Deng Nhial ci welcome ajene step toward peace and justice re wika South Sudan ajene Nhial move ajene patriotic ramuguro be mugabe jelat ko be political and humanitarian problem because solve re wika South Sudan Nhial Deng Nhial ngai jeno jene veteran of South Sudan liberation struggle jen chalede longo gwam ber ko bi malbe ben jen che role to wan ke chalet kumuk tap did a long important government role to chaletin jen chalet la chief negotiator ke peace toge dan e bu kor diale connection lat kam jalam ni kene junubin me bija kapchong wajen chaletin gwad money kam nos kene South Sudan wajene ka kumes fele mayu sorry jene ko kuma SPLM pink kir ma yadit wajen be party SPLM be weekend ko jen wajen most significant political move mandana chalat ke mandana chanyot United People Alliance jen chicken Nhial Deng Nhial chicken larno Nhial Deng Nhial rami mo mangaika ka jen be bondien be jako bo bomolong ka ba mal be jaga jabe ke justice ke prosperity ko South Sudan bete kamal chigen jo mo chiken lat ka jo mo chala Nhial Deng Nhial che president self ke ma yadi che lat jor ken kuma da ke no ken da ken community ni ka ja ken we ko be jek ka nyok lo no ba national election ba je lat ki queen kware cha jo mo cha je lat ken jo me de yena ling wana me be kume kir ma yadi be ja ko be la week ci Pagan Amum che Nhial Deng Nhial che welcome jo the den gwaz memen banaling a detention ka will is use leader ala will use leader wat janga ke kwer mo Ramadan la kwer ngane ken ka will is wajen chaje yen chaje nang anetential ke national security service name to go northern part of the country tiep Deng call Ramadan la acting ke kwer chairperson of the will is can't use cessation wa ken tigi nyur ka chu national security service chu ben dara shwal ke wan jok ton no wa chu ken garme chu kan be kaf she family dung kwaramo mchal ke tiep Deng kolo chikala no tiep Deng kol jen roje ken ngani mroye ken ngani mo wa shi politic bo ka chi siyasa wa ku brim ne ka ta dande na nyam ka je chwala no chu ben ne tijel ke bieni tel mej katel me dodien jelga ke chukan wudi shalga tiep Deng kole chukan be kam no gwadan te tin kel ka ngane wajen kenyam chaje nan ka kan headquarter ka kore chwa nan ka location mo kwaike shi nare ki uncle mishala ke Deng kol ki gwalende chala no tiep la men chelel jene peaceful non-political use body and questioned why he was arrested jene me chala tele sias muritin ka shi politic jen do bran yen ge jene kwaje ku ne to ku le tich ne me mchore lat ka jom chalat gwas me ne to ko ken re wedien winami wa ram me wajen she county commissioner garang tiang wa che je kwit no wa do mi mote ke kwakto kwa distribute kere la relief item kan kwakto lwakna ka kere which wa dio je chuda me che wuri chal ka garang tiang new county commissioner dio je che la jor ko dong changwa che da ga je che national security ke order cha wude me cha yu kap she official jigan la no chara me cha je kaf antem jatin baji tech ka kap ke je ki yan ga je ko jen che county commissioner che je quit ajen do badanan yan ka je wa ku de je gwan motina dul gatin no che je la jor ajen do badanan don kap ko je jo me mishalat akere wichin winami magoro de yan len ka ta dan che to ko je ka ler chan ga ling ti lamen dini jen longwa da bi anga no te ke to be be ti chalat ke ku mes fela yo ti la kani ti cha tok so di na ngaje no ne me am le ro den tam re wi ka South Sudan pot ka ngajen chaling no jen cha ja gwan ka go ni di de mo anwari kana jang ten kon te la den wo jen ye yuti 30,000 e che norwa ya mi che ka fan ke jen so jo me dong di yen ling ban ngai kon dialon ti dial ti ka kai ni ka tok an ban je ga le rodian chui peru jeno jin be subscribe ka goro jin ba bi notification bal je to an kom te lar mi ci brek ba sho mala shube ke ji gwal dan pa la rech bi ta mal bye bye